Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, let me show you this kind of like different cup holder, but also phone holder for your car. I don't think I've seen this one before. This is not one that actually comes with the holder. This is one that grabs your actual cup and transform it into the holder for your cup and also the holder for your phone, which, by the way, you can just redirect in a direction. So if this is gonna be, for example, for you while you're driving, you can point it at you. If this is gonna be for the other person that is on the passenger seat, you can just put it in this side and just for them to watch anything. But I do like on this one, let me show you, that again, as I was just telling you before, this one kind of like uses your cup to actually have the support, but it's not that if you remove the cup, it's gonna actually be flimsy or anything like that, because this part right here is all flexible. So that's what's happening with this one. It's gonna be flexible, so it's gonna grab that cup holder on your car and just transform it to be kind of like the actual cup holder. So I do like that. I have to say, it's not for super big cups. I want to say it's not for cups that is going to be like super tall, like 40 ounces with a straw or something like that. But I do like that you can just like this one, just check this out. You can just redirect it in any direction and just put it pointing it at you or just someone else. Again, I think that for driving, this could be really good if you don't have, for example, a big screen. In this case, I do have a big screen, but in case you don't have that, this could be really good just to make sure that you're not distracted, and you can put it as tall as you want, just like this one, for example, and make it to be taller in case that you have a big tumbler or something like that. But again, I don't recommend using one of those super big ones because it's not gonna be kind of like the same. I do like it. I do think that it's different from the other ones, and it has a really good support for your phone with a quick release like this one, so you can just release your phone, put it back in here, and kind of like strap it with the silicone pad so it won't damage your phone for sure. I like it. I think it could be good, and for sure it works really good for driving long distances or short distances with this new mount.